So hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw is it a guinea pig and platypus? I don't know, maybe it's just a guinea pig. Let me show. Wait, I hope it's a guinea pig. I don't think it's a guinea pig, but it's gonna look like guinea pig, and also it has a tail. I don't know what is it. Let's just fit into that. It's just a platypus. Okay, so let's just draw it with some pencil with then a little bit of dot over here and also his tail. Okay, and now make a sharp nail to him, and this is it. Hopeful, and also make it another one, and then like this, and just make it one, and then just need a tail like this bigger one, and then just a bit of this is it. So this is the way you can draw a platypus or guinea pig. And now it's time to draw. So for the if this is a guinea pig, so I'm going to use two different types of colors, pencil color and the dark color I'm going to use for this. For the coloring, and also his tail like this. And now it's time to draw the whole process with the gray color like this one, and it's a water living creature, so that's why I'm going to give it a nice and shiny color in the so that underwater predator can't find this guy. Basically this guy can give birth and also lay eggs. Can you believe that? An animal who lay eggs and feed his milk, just milk. Can you believe that? And it's quite interesting, you know. So this is it. This is the way you can draw a platypus. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.